According to World Bank, agriculture is crucial to economic growth, accounting for 4% of global gross domestic product. The global food system generates an estimated $12 trillion in social, economic, and environmental costs each year. Agriculture food systems, which directly employ over 1 billion people and provide livelihoods to another 3.5 billion, as indicated in the FAO 2022 framework. The agricultural industry is constantly evolving, and with new technology comes exciting opportunities for improvement. Meet smart agriculture. Smart agriculture, also known as precision agriculture, is a revolutionary technology that uses digital data and advanced analytics to increase agricultural production and minimize post-harvest losses. The VinFuture Foundation is pleased to present the inaugural webinar from the 2023 InnovaTalk series, Harvest Planning with Spectral Sensors in the Orchard. Gain an understanding of the opportunities and challenges these advances bring and the importance of driving global sustainability. Join us as we welcome Professor Josse De Baerdemaeker, former president of the European Society of Agricultural Engineers and chair for the webinar. He has a long track record of success and is a well-respected speaker in the field of sustainable agriculture. He recently delivered a keynote speech at the panel on sustainable agriculture in the new normal during the 2022 VinFuture Science and Technology Week.
So decisions we make today are based on technology, data, and knowledge, but we also have to take into account that we give it the right decision, the right treatment at this moment, such that at a later stage after harvest, the crop is in an optimal condition for whatever use it may be after harvest. It can be processing, it can be going to the fresh market, such that consumers get a product that they really like.
We are pleased to feature a presentation from Professor Wouter Saeys of KU Leuven, Belgium. Professor Saeys is an esteemed author and co-author of over 200 peer-reviewed scientific articles. In his presentation, Professor Saeys will discuss harvest planning with spectral sensors in the orchard. Spectral sensors can be used to monitor the growth of crops and detect the ripeness of fruit, enabling farmers to plan their harvest in an optimal manner. Representing the Vietnamese scientific community is Special Guest Associate Professor Tran This Dinh, Chairman of Food Science and Technology Network between Vietnam and Belgium. Can agriculture get smarter? Can agriculture get more sustainable? All will be revealed at the first 2023 InnovaTalk webinar, coming soon on March 29, 2023.